So this is to tape for the hamstring. So the hamstring actually inserts under the glute itself, so you need to reveal that area, and it inserts underneath the calf right there. Okay, so I'm going to use a towel just to lift up a little bit, just to about there. Make sure to get consent from the patient. Are you okay with that? Yep, awesome. So you want to measure probably about 70% of the way, depending on how irritable the person is. And for hamstring tears, we usually use the kinesiology tape or the dynamic tape. So that little bit of a stretch helps to offload any kind of hamstring tears or any kind of pain that might be there. So again, rounding off the corners. So depending on where you're getting the soreness, you can isolate if it's a bicep femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus. Through your diagnostic skills, you find out exactly where the tear might be. We're just going to go for, I usually go for 2 to 3 strips, so just along the mid-substance or along where the tear is. Okay, so starting off with a section without any tension, just around the gluteal fold, just there. Holding a section without tension and give it about a stretch 50 to 70% all the way down, and ideally it should go just below the knee crease like that. Same thing on this side, under the gluteal fold, bit of tension underneath into the calf right there. Okay, so that's how you strap for a hamstring tear.